Coin seems like a, really good opportunity right now. The reason why it seems like a good opportunity is not because that it's up right now, which it is up, right? The coin stock looks good compared to a lot of other things that are in the market. But it's not because of that. It's because of what we believe is coming, right? Coinbase is a cryptocurrency exchange company in the US, a publicly traded company where they have their stock. And their stock started out worth, I think it was like $400 or $360 or something like that. I ended up making profit from it from the gate. I can't remember exactly where it was at, but it got up to like 400 plus, like 400. Yeah, it was like $380 or something, 350. But it ended up getting to like four something. I profited off of it. A lot of other people lost money as it was on the way down. So as it started at this higher figure, a lot of people are like, okay, this is going to be worth a hell of a lot because the crypto market is going to be worth a lot. Well, the crypto market tanked, right? A lot of crypto fell down, being worth about 90% less than where it was at. And cryptocurrency overall, you could see, was worth about 60%, 66% less than the all-time highs of about $3 trillion. So seeing that, we were like, okay, well, now what's happening with coin, because Coinbase is not as valuable, because cryptocurrency, you're not seeing as many investments or as much money that's going into cryptocurrency that's going into Coinbase, and they're not getting a lot of fees or collecting a lot of fees and having the record profits that we thought we would end up seeing. Well, they were right. We weren't really seeing that. And coin ended up dropping all the way down to a $70 price, or even lower. I believe it got down way lower than that, to around a $31 price from the high point that it ended up getting to of $429, just to take a look at the chart. So seeing that, it's like, is there even an opportunity within this? Well, for me, Coinbase stock is looking more and more attractive right now because of what the future looks like for cryptocurrency. So make sure you guys hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. If you guys want to check out my new credit card YouTube channel, the link to that will be in the cards. And I believe I will provide a link for Webull if you guys want free stocks. Click the link down below and you'll be able to use the platform that I am using. Now, if we take a look at Coinbase, Coinbase is currently sitting at $74.66, $74.71. It continues to change. It's up about 2% today, hit a high of $76.76 and a low of $73.50. Either way, it was still profitable during the day. Now you see a volume of 6.8 million, shares worth of volume, which is lower than average, which is 7.7 million. So we're still seeing some positivity. Just because we're seeing less volume doesn't mean we won't see positivity. Majority of the trades must be more bullish, must be more towards the buy side. Now you can see the history of Coinbase right in front of your eyes. You have $429.54 of a high versus the $31.55 of a low. Now this is in the matter of like 2 years or so. And with this, it has dropped a lot. And nobody really predicted, I wouldn't say nobody, there were people that predicted that Coinbase wouldn't have the year that it was supposed to have, or multiple years. But you see how this has dropped down, and now it's kind of starting to level out. It hit this lower level. You're seeing a little bit of a comeback. It looks like Coinbase is kind of on that way to come back. You see this double top point around the $115 mark. I think it's going to surpass that. I think it's going to skyrocket and be worth a hell of a lot more, because cryptocurrency will be worth a hell of a lot more. And Coinbase is literally one of the top exchanges that is out there. So seeing that and understanding that cryptocurrency will have, its time that it will thrive, Coinbase will also thrive with it. And recently, if we go to CoinMarketCap, we can see that the market has been, increasing a little bit. We're seeing it at a $1.12 trillion market cap. A lot of hype is going around, Bitcoin and Ethereum and XRP and a lot of the top cryptocurrencies that are out here. And a lot of the cryptocurrency market is looking pretty positive. while we did see a little bit of a turnaround, a lot of it is still looking positive when you talk about Solana or Cardano or Dogecoin or anything like that. And some things are moving a lot more than others, like Bitcoin SV and Stacks and, again, Solana XRP. So with that being said, how far can Coinbase stock go based on how much this is increasing? If the crypto market is increasing, a lot of money that's going into the exchange, a publicly traded exchange, you will see, positive growth. You will see a positive bottom line, a more positive bottom line, and it will create a lot of hype and a lot of attention around that cryptocurrency exchange. And again, Coinbase is right there. Now, the only thing that's kind of holding it back is the lawsuit that they have against cryptocurrency exchanges, basically saying that they're selling unregistered securities, when we know for a fact that these are going to be, these charges are either going to be dropped, or you're going to see it go in the direction that we all would hope that it would go in, which is cryptocurrency. All of the cryptocurrencies that are there are not labeled as a security, or you have maybe a couple that may be labeled as such. But any of the top cryptocurrencies that are trading on the platform, this will just provide some sort of regulation, not to crypto overall, but will provide regulation for the exchanges to regulate what cryptocurrencies they bring into the platform. It's not just bringing them into the platform because they paid you $1 million. It's bringing them into the platform because you know that they're legit. They go through your vetting process and they're 100% legit. So anyways, as we go back to Webull, I see the opportunity in Coinbase. I see a huge opportunity in Coinbase. And yes, while we're seeing it kind of fluctuate and, go back and forth and all of that, you see the opportunity that it does bring over the long term. Yes, swing trading galore is what it looks like. You can see $80, then down to 70, then back up to 80, then down to 70. And it's just showing you, the different levels of support that it does have and the different resistances that it kind of has to break through. And if we look at it day by day, again, we could see the growth creating these higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, leveling out at the 200 EMA, using it more of that level of support. And we might see that absolutely take off from here as soon as the crypto market does end up taking off as well. Again, this $115 mark is a significant point for Coinbase, and I believe it will break through. I believe we'll see Coinbase being worth basically where it was when it initially got started, if not way more than that, because the cryptocurrency market will be worth way more than that. So, and Coinbase will have a very large share of that cryptocurrency market and the transactions that go through it. So for people that think that Coinbase is not going to be worth anything, hold on to this for 10 years. And in 10 years, when you have this company or this stock worth $3,000 multiple times and ends up having splits and all types of things because it just can't keep up with the demand because it holds such a large share of cryptocurrency overall, you're going to be pleasantly surprised. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. I'm going to get out of here and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.